The Earth is an incredible place, filled to the brim with locations and experiences that many of us can only dream about. From the top of the highest peaks of the most mysterious mountains, to the deep of coral reefs and the waters that hide below, the Earth holds everything we need to be happy, and yet so many of us take it for granted. For those of us who allow ourselves to truly live the way we were supposed to take risks, be brave, jump in the deep end, and never apologize for the moments that make you happy, the meaning of life is but simple: joy, gratitude, and the intensity of the beating heart. It's time we break out of the mold society has created for us, and we dare to live the dreams we've always held close to our hearts. Design for yourself a life that will set your soul on fire. Trek across lands that are more ancient than you can even imagine. Fly over seas yet to be explored. Take risks that make your heart beat so hard you start to feel dizzy. And be your most authentic self every moment that you're standing. We all have only one life, and therefore it's about time you put yourself first and started living it. When you're old and grey, telling your future children and grandchildren about the life you live, the people you met, and the person you grew to become, what do you imagine? Or do you want to tell them about moments so invigorating and soul-affirming that they showed you, in the most frightening and incredible moments, who you really are? You know the answer. It's important you fill your life with moments and memories that you will hold close to you forever, that you meet people just like yourself and make friendships that will last a lifetime. Look back on your life, knowing you did everything you could to experience everything out